Hey guys, welcome to the Curls YouTube page. My name is Alexia and I'm gonna show y'all how I got this super cute perm rod set because listen, I'm feeling it. So let's just stay tuned. Let's see what I did. Let's get the tips, all the tea on the products. So if you wanna see how I got it, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm using the Green Collection by Curls to achieve my rod set today. Starting off with the Sea Kelp Curl Cleanser. It was so moisturizing and softening while cleansing my hair. I was impressed. I went in with the Sea Kelp and Cucumber Hair Mask. It is so thickums. Okay, it comes with a spoon. That's how thick it is, and it definitely did add much needed moisture to my hair. And slip, yes. I went in with the green tea hair rinse, which can replace your ACV rinse and help to restore your pH balance. Y'all get the drift, okay? Shine, bounce. I blow dried my hair with the bamboo protein treatment, which did have a good amount of slip and left my hair feeling very soft and fluffy, even though I was hot and burning up in this room. So after applying the bamboo protein treatment and blow drying my hair, the bad boy feels soft, okay? It feels super soft, and it just feels nourished. Like, you know, sometimes blow dries can leave your hair feeling like dry and brittle and thirsty. Like today we're not any of those things after that bamboo treatment. Like, okay, so I'm gonna hop in with the avocado hair mousse and see what she's talking about. So because the avocado hair mousse is alcohol free, it's supposed to be a low foaming situation, but I'm looking forward to seeing how these rollers got my hair looking, you know? So this section should be good enough. And that should be enough mousse. The mousse feels creamier than most mousses. I think it does. I like how it feels on my hair. Okay. So I'm just brushing the mousse into my hair to get, like, you know, even distribution, and then I'm gonna roll it up using a orange perm rod. I'm going to attempt to spiral it onto my hair. You'll see it in this clip, to create a more spiralized look as opposed to the traditional curls. I wanted to touch on the mousse because it is a botanical mousse, so it's not foamy as most mousses. It basically is alcohol free and just more natural all around because this is the Green Collection. And I actually did like how it felt on my hair. It felt more like a creamy based product and actually more moisturizing than any mousse I've ever tried. But I'm just spiraling the rod and my hair together. I hope that makes sense. And I just gave my hair a much cuter curl than a traditional rolling curl would have given me. Time for the takedown. Freaking gorgeous. Oh my god, it is so cute. I am so excited. And my hair dried fast because I blow dried it first. This is my new thing, like. Oh god, it's so cute. I'm gonna do very light separation. Oh, it's so cute. My hair feels so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. My hair feels so good, you guys. I'm like leaving it like kind of tight and just pulling at the roots because I don't even want to get any frizz. Like, I just love it. I love it so much. I never do like rods like this. I usually do like twists and then some rods, or braids and then some flexi rods. But I was like, let me just try to switch it up. Let me try to switch it up and see what I can do. This is so cute. You guys, isn't this so cute? Isn't this so freaking cute? I love it. Oh my gosh. I love the size of the curls. I love the spirally look because I spiraled it onto the rod. I feel okay. Like my entire wash day today was fantastic. Like, I don't have any complaints. Oh my gosh. If you want to purchase the products I use today, you can get them at Target and you can get them on the Curls website. Like, what's really going on with today's look? You tell me. What's going on with it? It's so cute. I'm always fearful of having bad rod sets. Like, I feel like it's just like you never know what's gonna happen. But this right here, shout out to Curls. Shout out to Curls. This looks so good. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you try this collection out, let me know. Tag me at Kandid Kinks on Instagram and YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.